Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, we are going to learn about Brainiac Kickstart Side Hustle. This is not one of my usual video where it's not about a SaaS or a software, but it's more of a collection deals where from what I see right now is it's a collections of studies, factors, principles and all this stuff which has an impact on psychology, which helps you to increase conversation rates or your selling process much better, where they are trying to do this by using such as cognitive biases. I didn't know what that meant. I immediately Google searched it, and basically the definition is a systematic pattern of deviation from norm and or rationally in judgment. So that's what means. So it brings up this cognitive biases, factors and models and database with all the case studies they have, and also they have a specific case study section where it's like from 0 to first 1,000 customers. So they keep these case studies of various products in various different markets, and also they do bring viral case studies per month 8. I'm not sure because I just learned about this platform right now a couple of days ago, so I'm not sure what are the updates are coming in, but they do mention 8 viral case studies per month and also one social media news per week, which I asked what that means was, and they mentioned it's a email with valuable news about social media updates and new features of Facebook, Instagram. So that is what they mentioned. So just I'm going to show you around to show what kind of resources you can expect from this to get understanding, because that's what I can do, because it's not a tool or software where I can assess and give my opinion about it, but it's a resource collection of various different factors, guides, article and everything, which is not going to be suited for everyone. For example, even if you are interested in increasing your selling rate or conversion rate and everything, maybe this resource might not be useful for you, because you would like to see your that's particular information in a different style or something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase all the features or sections of this particular Brainiac Kickstart side hustle, and you can make your own opinion on whether this might be suitable for you or not. So first, you can see I have logged into my account. It consists of 3 different sections. First is the Brainiac section. Let me open up that, where this is the section where I mentioned that cognitive biases or principles, models, basically factors relating to different selling stage cycle. For example, you have the whole list: branding, PR, ad campaign, landing page, product creation, product launch, pricing, all these things. So if I click on pricing, it will show you whatever the database they have related to pricing. I'm going to open up a couple of this so you can get an idea on what are the things will sample will look like. So you get the FOMO effect. I picked the FOMO for some reason. It's fear of missing out. It gives you a brief description. It gives you a link for the image with an explanation. Let me load and show you how it looks like. And if I scroll down, it giving me a short description, it giving me a long description. If there's any research, it shows that, and application is showing you how you can use it to do that, and it shows couple of examples on it's been done on couple of different places. It also shows us screenshots of this in action, and finally category and as well as the impact score. So that is what a typical card look like. And let me open up another one also. The reason I'm opening up is because it's not going to be suitable for everyone. You need to see whether this is something valuable for you and make use of it. There is no step-by-step instructions or nothing like that. It shows the strategy and how that works. You need to decide from yourself to see whether this is relevant to you or not. And I think 30-day money back guarantee also will be helpful for you if you want to check it out personally. And this is another one which is environment effect. I'm not sure what that means. It shows a short description, a long description. You can also slow down the video if you want to read through it and understand it. Application is shown and examples are shown here. and simple as that. So that is how you see all the different data here. There is around 150. So if I go down, I can see this in a different layout. Basically they are embedding your table. So if you don't prefer this card style layout, you can view this data in a Excel spreadsheet kind of way, where if you click on any single one of this record, it will open up and you can get more information from there. So that is basically what the Brainiac section does. It shows different factors which can affect for different reasons. So I showed you pricing. If I going into the landing page, then I can see examples from landing page oriented technique, what are the things you can do. And let me scroll down to show you all the different tabs available so you can get an idea on it. So that is what Brainiac section, it contains all these different things. And if I go into the flashcard, is basically where it will show you an image or a factor in a easy to understand or digest fashion to get a flashcard view of what. And when you click on it, it will flip the card and show what is that is about. And you can go this in order. For example, if I click on this, it will go into a different order. I can click on it and it will open up the data, or you can open up a random one also. This does also work really good in mobile also. So if you are getting some free time and if you just want to browse around it, you can use this from a mobile environment too. And you just click on it and it just shows the research behind it. For example, attention bias, people pay more attention to certain simulation and ignore others, and it explains it. For example, participants were given a cards in various colors within certain words on them. They were tasked to say the color out loud, not the word, and they just explained this thing. So I need to look into it, and you can just keep on going different one to find whatever the things you want. Basically this is what the flashcard section does. You find something, when you click on it, it opens up an explanation on the back of the card on what that means. It works with mobile interface also. Case studies is a section where you're going to find more in-depth information, where basically they currently have around, if I'm not mistaken, it's around 115 or 123, it's mentioned here. They have around 123 case studies of various different one. And if I click on this, what this will do is this will filter out all the case studies where they are starting from a 0 mark to get their first 1,000 customers. So if you are an early startup company or an early if you only have an idea and you want to figure out or brainstorm all the growth strategy, then rather than in this particular tab, you should be checking on case studies which are available on this particular section to make more sense, relevancy to you. And this is how the section will look like. They put the number, they give the brand name, what was the biggest point of this case study, and what industry they are part of it. For example, we get Solana from crypto, Slack, and I'm just getting scroll down bit to show you all the different one. So you can see the industry. They are giving the main point of this case study, like how to build controversial virality resulting in selling 666,000 worth of shoes within 1 minute, how to get 23 million websites, and all these things. If I'm just scrolling down, and you can see all the different case studies available and brand, and I can just scroll down to all the different things. And I'm going to open a 2 different random one from an early stage, and I will open up one of the new let's say new case study, to just to show you how the layout will look like, so you can figure out whether this is suitable for you or not. Let me open up another one also. Let me go with this, and let me open up something on the middle also, so I can show you an example of what kind of things you can expect from a case study. And this is a case study of Flappy Bird on our simple mobile game, got 50 million downloads within few months and started earning its creator 50k a day. So it mentions that, gives you a description, gives a highlight of the strategy on what's happening here. You can get idea on it. You can slow down the video if you want to get an in-depth look on it, and it shows images. If there's any relevant images, it shows that, and it shows now psychological wise what was the issues. And if I scroll down, you probably should read everything slowly to get the maximum sense of the idea, and it gives me more image to make it understand, and gives me a conclusion, and finally it also gives out link. For example, if they mention something important or something like a report or percentage case study, then they do give out links, so you can go out and check out for yourself also. So let me close that. Let me open up another one, which is case study 122, which was one of the latest addition, which is Slack, how to create an internal chat system that collected 285k users and was valued 1.12 b all within first year. So 13 minutes straight. It gives me a description, it gives me highlights of the strategy and what they are using it. You should read it to see whether this is actually helpful for you or not, because every person is different, and they show all the different strategy used. I am just scrolling down, and it will show. It takes couple of seconds to load image. It's not instant. I noticed this when I was checking out. It shows images, it shows the psychological behind it, and I think there's an image here also. You can see there is an image and window of opportunity on what are the opportunities, and links, the external resource links. And let me show one more, which was the middle of a case study where paparazzi how to land one spot app store within 20 countries in a day. And you can see again a description, strategy tools. And if I'm scrolling down, let's see what are the other details I can see here. There should be an image here, I think. Okay, so you can see example images are shown here. What is the thing? Psychology reason. Another image should be appearing here. You can see other images, extra window of opportunity, which shows any potential opportunity and gives you a links of external resources. So that is how the case studies are grouped. Like they have around, as of now they have around 123, but they do mention that there is around plan for 8 case studies per month on every month. I'm not sure, because I'm not existing user for this product for a long time. I'm just testing this product for this video and just wanted to show out this is not going to be suitable for everyone, because even if you have the same goal, you need to check out this product to see how this might be helpful for you, because some people will prefer to see the information in a different way. Some users, they will see this and find a whole lot of value for them, because they are looking for these kind of data, these kind of information for them, which could be improving their business, could be improving their sales process, conversation rates and everything. So it's going to be depending on yourself, like whether this is useful for you or not. Do check out that, and their sales page itself giving you all the different information for you, so you can go into their sales page, get all the information and see whether this is suitable for you or not. I hope this video was useful. Once again, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I'll see you in another great video. Cheers.